In this video, I'm going to walk you through the course dashboard. The course dashboard is a very valuable dashboard to give you insights on where your students are in their learning journey. You can access data such as when did they start learning, have they even started to progress in the course, if so, how much percentage of the course did they watch, and you can also get insights on your average order cart value, how many courses have been sold this month versus last month, and so on. Let me show you how all of this looks like. So to access your course dashboard, click on memberships on the left, courses at the top, and select dashboard. Then you will see this dashboard showing up. As you can see, it's been last updated 12 minutes ago. It will update itself every 6 hours, and all this data that you can see right here is from the last 30 days. So in this particular account, our best performing course is How to Build a Funnel, and the least performing course is Sell in DMs. In both courses, we have one enrollment, as you can see right here, and the completion rate for this course is 100% versus this one is 0%. Now, if you click on each of those cards, more data will show up from the clients who have taken these courses, their email, their progress, the start date, the last login, and how many times they have logged in. Now, if you hover over the progress bar, you see it's currently 0. If you have more clients enrolled, like in the other one, let's go back. Let's click on the least performing course. And here you can see again all the email addresses, the progress, how far somebody has been progressed, the start date, the last login, and the total amount of logins. You can also search by email here if you want to search for a particular student directly. And you can also click on the particular student and get their entire progress summary right here. Next up, we have the total revenue generated this month versus last month. So this month it's 87% down compared to last month. You can see total checkouts was 1 and total upsell conversions 0. Then the average order value right here, the number of sales in the last 30 days, the average amount per order versus last month is 73%. The highest order value was 6,000. The average order per user then 6,000. Okay. And in both cards, you can also go to revenue directly and look at the net revenue generated in a line chart or even in a bar chart. So you can see October 21st was a big sale for this particular location. If you scroll further down, you see one sale, one opt-in, revenue by offer. So you can also compare the offers. And then again, you see the name of the offer. Further up at the top, you can adjust the time frame. You can go last 90 days, 180 days, 1 year, and also you can put the custom date range right here. And you can also filter further down more if you do not want to see the net revenue, but maybe the membership checkouts, the workflow, the smart list, and the funnel checkouts, and or the upsells. Please note you can only select 4 of these. Okay, and then if you only select net revenue, then you can only select net revenue and none of the other ones. Let's go back to dashboards. Down here, you can see the course progress funnel. 4 users have signed up, 2 users have started, and 1 user has already completed the course. This is very important data for you to know, because if people have signed up, but they're not progressing, you can follow up, because only the people who obviously watch the course will get results. So you want to get results for your people. You want to make sure you follow up, check in. Hey, how's it going? Is there anything I can do to support you? Things like that. Then right here, you can also go to the funnel directly and you can track all the members and their progress from here as well. Let's go back to dashboard. And down here, you have quick actions such as, hey, pick off where you've left off. Meaning, hey, you started this course, go ahead and keep watching it. Then right here, jump in to create a new course. Then right here, you have more quick help. And these are the help docs, which help you to how to get started, to launching a course, to new theme customizer for courses, as well as the magic links and membership courses, how it works. In case you're not seeing any revenue data, that means you haven't sold any courses yet. So the data can only show up once you've processed some money through the system. Please note the dashboard is also available on tablets as well as on mobile phones. I hope you like this feature, and I will see you in the next one.